I'm not gay, and I like men, actually. I like them so much, I'm going to dedicate the entire rest of this show to the good qualities of men. Thank you so much. You've been a great crowd. No. I'm just kidding. I'm going to tell this story. I like men, and I'm mad at them. My boyfriend left me for another woman. Yeah, his wife. Hey, give me some credit. I didn't know. I'm just dating this guy 3 months, and you get that phone call. I'm sure there's some girls here. You know, you're on your computer, and the phone rings, and she's all businesslike. Excuse me, do you know Derek Haynes? I'm like, what hospital, right? Yes, that's my boyfriend. Oh, no, that's my husband. Oh. Really, at this point, the conversation should just be over, right? I had no idea I'll never see him again. Bye. I'm heartbroken, right? This is two women. We're going to talk about this and get to the bottom of this. Oh, my God, when did you guys meet? Oh, my God. And I'm like, we met on May 13th. We were in Santa Monica. Then she starts asking questions I don't want to answer. Did you guys make love? No. We just did it like dogs. Oh my God, did you use a condom? Why? Do you have something? Then she starts sticking up for him. Well, he has a very large penis, doesn't he? Hun, you need to get out more. I think that's sad when a woman sticks by her cheating man, you know? Hillary Clinton did us a very big disservice. Stand by your man. Yeah, if Obama cheated, his wardrobe would be on the White House lawn. You just see stuff flying out the window. Security be like, I have no idea what's happening. And Armani's suit just flew out the window.